Hi, it's Debbie again with Mystery Quilts Anonymous, and I'm going to teach you today, well, not really teach you, but I'm going to show you today how to do Vintage Rosebuds Clue 1. But for those of you who aren't doing the curved seam, I want to show you how to update your template. We're going to tweak it just a little bit so you can sew on a straight instead of a curve. So if you'll look here at the template, I've printed it out. Remember, when you print your templates, always print at 100% with no scaling, anything like that. This should equal 3.5 inches across here. And this should be 1, and I believe it's 1/4, yep, 1 1/4 inches here, from here to here. And this is from here to here, should be 3.5. All right, this, I'll show you that one in a minute. This is the one we're going to deal with first, okay? So where this curve is, we're just going to straighten up that curve. So I'm going to draw a line from this point to this point. I'm just going to draw a straight line in there, okay? That's my new sewing line now. So I actually need to go out 1/4 inch from that. So I'm going to put my 1/4 inch line right here on my sewing line, and I'm going to go out and cut that off. So this becomes my new sewing line, right? My new cutting line. I apologize. This becomes my new template right here. So my template now looks like this, okay? Then for this one, I'm going to show you how to redraw the template, but I'm also going to give you a cheater's way out, okay? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go from this corner to this corner. By the way, this template should be 2 3/4 inches. Okay, which makes this one 2 3/4 as well. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a line from point to point. We're going to go out 1/4 inch. And we're going to draw another line, which means that we have to extend our cutting line down and out, which makes this one look like a triangle. Now, the cheater's way of doing this piece right here is a 3-inch square cut on one diagonal, and you're going to get the exact same triangle. And you may also be wondering why I have a piece of cardboard here. Well, I cut my templates out of this. I'm using the curved seams, and I cut my templates out of this because I find that I can lay my my rotary cutter against this and cut it out nicely. Okay, I want to show you what each one looks like. For the square one, this is the end result. Here is this piece and this piece. And you'll get a 3.5 inch square. For the curved pieces, same 3.5 inch square, except it's on the curve. So I know this one looks smaller, and it actually is because I didn't print my template out properly. Note to self, print those templates properly. This will be a 3.5 inch if you do it 100%. Okay, so that's what we're working toward. 2 ways to do it. Have fun with it. See you next time.